Hello, welcome back to Zombie's Nerf Master. So today, I am shooting the Nerf Elite 2.0 Tetrad. The Nerf Elite 2.8 went scope on it. On that target, turn some light on so it looks better on camera. Tornado warning is over, but it's still raining out. Yeah. So let me go back here. Just gonna make it. We pump it. Nope, that's the first shot. Nope, not even close. Not even close. Nope. I'm gonna go in front of the camera so I can do it better. First, let me find the. There it is. I wasn't even close. It's hard to aim with the Tetrad. It's still a fun blaster. Still has a great pump, but small pump. Okay, I made it in the 25. Made 2 in the 25 in a row. That's good shooting. That was up front. Trying to get these last 2 in there. I made it from the bottom of the bottom 2 barrels. Nope. I did get some new Air Forces though. Got great colors. They're not brand new, like I'm from my brother, but still nice. Why did I shoot 2 at one side of the bottom? A different dart. One of those darts is very. That one's not gonna work. That one should work. Here we go. Let me load the 2 bottom darts in. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Peace.